very big congratulations to our king, the Oba of Benin. Oba Gatokbe. Oba Gatokbe. Oba Gatokbe. And I also want to say a big congratulations to the governor of Edo State, His Excellency Senator Monday Okpebolo. We are very proud of you. The good Edo sons are very, very proud of you, and we are supporting you. We are supporting you, not because we want something from you, because of what you stand for. Leadership is about compassion. Leadership is about moving the people forward, not speaking English online. So for what you have done so far, thank you so much, His Excellency, for respecting our king. Thank you so much, Your Excellency. So before I proceed, I want to get my guitar. Yeah, man. Let me take these ones off first. Please, capture the screen. We'll come back to the screen in a little bit. Capture the screen. You see this screen over here? All right, with the postcode from City, Niger. You see the one here? I'll bring it back later, okay? I'll bring it back later. Let me sing for my Oba first. Let me sing for my Oba of Benin. All the good people of Edo State that is supporting the Oba of Benin, and God will bless all of you now. Let me remove all these dirty people from here first, because my Oba won't sing for. Don't be all these criminals. These criminals say do for you. Obasee no game, Obasee no game, Ofora me no Obasee o, Obasee, Obasee no game, Obasee no game. Hold on. Obasee. You know, for those of you who know me, you already know that I am somebody that love culture. For those of you who know me, you know that I'm somebody that love arts and culture, and no matter what, I will always respect the Oba of Benin. As I speak to you right now, I am in UK and doing the needful, because for a very long time now, about Obazee have constantly threatened me. For a very long time now, about Obazee have constantly said that you want to bring me down, that you want to kill me. So I am doing the needful by reporting the issues to the American embassy, the British authorities, and things like that. All right. So, but let's go ahead and start with the first video we are going to talk about today. All right. By the way, they were supposed to do a meet and greet today. I beg, before we continue, may I thank me first. They were supposed to do a meet and greet today. Let me put it here. Meet and greet. You see that? May I zoom out? May you see where? Do you see that? You see that postcode there? You see that postcode? LX118TP. All right? They were supposed to do a meet and greet at this location. I was the one that said this meet and greet will not happen, and it did not happen. If you're not clap for me, I'll clap for myself. And guess what? If you see the location where they want to do meet and greet for ex-governor, my people, if you see the location where they want to do meet and greet for an ex-governor, you go shame. If you see location where they want to do meet and greet for ex-governor, you go shame. Not knowing that this location now the same place, the one bedroom apartment where about Obazee and the family stay. Now they want to do meet and greet for London. After extensive research, I found out say about Obazee, January 2025, this young man go register as a cleaner in UK. The records are there. I will still show now. It's a public record. When I posted it earlier, somebody said, oh, you can be sued for this, sue fire. May I zoom out for you? Show you that you see him. You see him, so date of birth is there, which is correct. Cleaning services, the company is active. The date of registration is there. And the address is 10 Banting Terrace Lane. That's the same postcode. The same postcode they were trying to host an ex-governor. About Obaseki, your cleaning services, the place where you stay, where you take register a cleaning service business. Now you want to use to host a sitting or former governor. So you see, my people, this young man was planning to host a governor in his one-bedroom apartment. Even me as an organization, all the records are there. For every single event I have had is international standard. When we were in Barcelona for our meet and greets, we did it at Novotel Hotel. When we were in Germany, we did it at Hilton Dusseldorf. All the records are there. So let's play some videos first, then we'll talk about analyzing them. First video we're going to play is the last broadcast of Godwin Obaseki. And I want you to listen to me, please.
So my final word is like...
Final word.
We should look towards the future.
Okay.
Today we know, tomorrow is what we should be more concerned about. We have all learned our lessons. We've seen how certain actions over the last 1 year have brought us to where we are today. The biggest challenge we face, and it's an existential one, is economic growth. How do we provide jobs? How do we provide food?
How do we provide jobs? How do we provide foods? Okay.
How do we provide opportunities?
How do we provide opportunities?
For majority of the people of our state who are young people.
Young people, okay.
It's not going to be easy. It's
Let's stop there
tough.
first. Obaseki, Godwin, you said, how do we provide jobs? How do we provide food for majority of the young people? This is a brilliant idea. Remember during your campaign, you promised Edo people 250,000 jobs. You remember during your campaign, you promised Edo people 250,000 jobs. Did you create 250,000 jobs? The answer is no. Now let's forget about outsider. The person you are using, about Obazee you are using today, what job did you create for that young man? A person who campaigned for you before you won the first tenure, second tenure, 1 year later, 10 good years, about Obazee have been campaigning for you, creating enmity because of you. You could not empower a person who is working for you. Now you are talking about providing jobs for you. Is that not a senseless talk? Charity begins at home. Empowerment begins with the people around you. You are using another person's son to create havoc in Edo State. We have all the records. I'm an international exposed man. I am international gallant. I was in Lagos 48 hours ago. I said I'm coming to this UK to see what's happening. And I'm doing that. I have a meeting with the US Embassy, which I already accomplished today. I have a meeting with the MI5 police. I have a meeting with the Metropolitan. I'm going to do all my petitions everywhere. And I will know, I will be satisfied that I have done my part. How about you cannot be threatening me and expect for you to go free? You know, if you threaten me, then I will come keep quiet. Now, I made the post and most of the time. You can do me something today. I will wait 20 years to answer you when it's convenient for me. So this is a convenient time and we are ready to do the do. Okay? So let's continue to listen to this idiot of a governor, a S419. Are you not aware that Obaseki were the one that funded Planware? The Planware that year, it was Obaseki people that did it. You know what's making me happy today? When I was against Obaseki all these years, a lot of you that is against him today were insulting me. I know will apologize to me. Those of you that were insulting me, that I was against Obaseki for all these years, are you not going to thank me to say thank you, Dion Osagie? You saw what we did not see. You saw the failure of this government that we did not see. Please go ahead and thank me. Because majority, all my records are there from day one. I have been talking bad about this guy. I hated his policies, and today look at it. Osagie, you hate governor, you hate Obaseki, you hate Obaseki because he not give you appointment. What kind of appointment can Obaseki possibly give me? What is a government appointment? A government appointment is to be able to improve the lives of people of Edo State, which I was already doing with my own organization. So there is no appointment that the governor is going to give me that is going to overshadow the work I have been doing. What is a government appointment? To work for the people of Edo State. I have been doing that. And you know what gives me joy? I did not give up. Even when Abat was saying, we must close you down, we must shut you down, we must do this to you, I stayed true. I stayed true. And guess what? Today, Obaseki ran away from Edo State. Abat Obazee is not in Edo State. We are now the kings and queens of Edo State. We are now the kings and the queens of Edo State. We are not the one making a difference in Edo State. Those persons who were against us, those persons who said that we cannot live our dream in Edo State, 8 years has come, 8 years are gone, another government is here, and we are still here. You, where are you today? Let's listen to the field MOU governor. Please, Governor Okpewolo.
We must engage with the
people. The reason why we are supporting you is to make a difference in Edo State, and we believe in you.
We must engage with the people of Edo State. So I just want to appeal to politicians that at the end of the day, if we just don't want these things to break down, because if we're not constructive and we don't, put our energies together and focus on improving the lives of our people, if anything goes wrong, we'll be the ones that will suffer it the most.
Yeah. If anything goes wrong, we are the one that will suffer it the most. This is what you are suffering today, Godwin. Godwin, the number of Benin, Ukwa Akbolokbolo, Oba Eware II warned you. I saw the video. He said, Godwin, you know there is life after governorship. You want to be able to come to Edo State and the people will be happy with you. Did you listen to his advice? Look at you today. We can't find you. I'm so proud of myself that I was able to cancel the meet and greet that was supposed to happen today. They want to host a former governor in one of the worst neighborhoods in Leeds. The video is there. Go to my page, you see the video. The video of the area is there. Number 10. Maybe that's Harvard address because that's where the cleaning services is registered to Harvard. You continue to disrespect Edo people. But Obaseki continue to call Edo people illiterates. Now not go school, now be Ashawo, now be Central. But you that went to school, you left Edo State after serving the government for 10 years or 8 years to become a cleaner, washing toilets. That's all you could achieve. After working all these years for the governor did not empower you. The governor is busy buying properties in different countries. How about you not get sense? Are you not aware that you can buy a European passport? Are you not aware that European passport government not fit buy and give you? You are still a dependent on Mama Owen. Mama Owen, I continue to call on you because you are such a beautiful woman. You know the shame? Look at the person you call your husband. You know the shame? About Obazee, yeah, they not go school, don't mind them. Illiterates. Look at you. Man, put on there, see him. I don't sabi talk with you, I don't know. See him. It sounds like the way. About that's you now. That's an active company in USA that you created for cleaning. And it's only 2 members. So is it that you and your wife or you and one other person that will be doing the cleaning? Because if you look at the company over there, Avu Cleaning Services, that's the company number. That's the date it was registered in January 2025. And that is the address the company was registered to. And I believe from the look of the area, I think that's where Albert is currently staying. You understand? I believe that is where he is currently staying. Dead area. Okay? I'm going to respond to all your comments in a little bit. Let me make my point across. So you that is busy spoiling people online, that they can't do this, you never work, you never this. After all your qualification, after working for government, where is the people that really work for this government? People like TJ, people like Osagie, all these men that really worked. Look at your life. Let's continue, Joe. Obaseki cannot enter Edo State. Godwin Obaseki that could not even fix his own village. Godwin Obaseki that could not even fix his own village. Abat, believe me, that your company in UK, forget about it, because we are going to give you a very, very bad review. The next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to call the Better Business Bureau of UK and give them all these things you have been doing online. We are going to give you bad reviews. Nobody's going to use your services in UK. A cleaner, a common cleaner. I beg you. Okay, so let me continue with my... Okay. Alpha. Yeah, there's one video I wanted to play from Smart Obazee. Where is that video? The guy made a lot of sense. Even the smart, I don't know what's wrong with these people family. Even the smart was mocking me one time. I have the video somewhere. Say, Dion, go and born. Dion, go and born. See my daughter now. I don't born. I don't born. You were mocking me like you were God. Dion, go and born. If you show me say you born, I will give you how much you talk then. Smart, come and give me my money. You still there on one, I there on two. Now so God tell you do things. Not be who first start race, they carry first. I continue to say, not be who first start race, they carry first. Let me continue with that. I want to find that video. Okay, please listen to this video by
Obaseki family. Well, we don't do video. Where are they so mad? Why we say that they are bad? They so mad.
Hold on. Let me respond to this guy. Mr. Don't need to acknowledge. I need to respond to one message I saw. Now, where's the message? Felice. Okay, Felice. Stop crying wolf or Dion. Let Abat grow. So when Abat was crying wolf over my case, where were you? I am already on vacation for the rest of the year. I have done all my work from January till November. So till January again. At the rest. So I can do this. Okay, so listen to this video if you want to enjoy the show, or I can easily block you anyone you want. This is Abat brother. This is not me. This is Abat immediate younger brother. Immediate younger brother. Okay.
Obaseki, I'll quench you one day. I will talk to you today because why? I don't want me to go prove my mama and mama when I live for us. I don't want me to go put them for trouble. And all the thing I said, all the police and the man when they do so, we don't stay to one day. Now, after I talk and now they say, now because of you, I dey talk for Facebook. Go today, I'll do this live video for my carriage because sometimes now my live video I like one for my carriage, but today because go today outside. I just say to my own one for this my room when I just not say I sleep my room. And yeah, I put my shoe, put my clothes, I'm not the sleep shoe. Governor Obaseki family, Governor Obaseki, now they were made Obaseki family, where una want to do that video? Una where they call about and una where they play voice record, they give back online. Una don't get Facebook. Where will that video we have to pay? Why you say that one, not the same message? Governor Obaseki, Obaseki, keep Obaseki family. Governor Obaseki, kill you.
be me talk am. Na Albert immediate younger brother. Now they talk this one so. Na Albert immediate young brother. Now they talk. Same mama, same papa. Not be me they talk.
Okay, the fact is no. But he's still fighting for nonsense. Nonsense thing. Nonsense thing they format. They're going to call him. They look followers. They look followers. They look who they feel. That's like me. If I tell you, I don't know people every day. Now what you make they know they comment. You feel share. But don't come comment for here. I don't like that. Not go hide me, not tell, just you come out. You understand? I be action man. I love my family so much. If I see me not clear, Oba talk to him.
He said. Oba na Oba.
No understand?
Sure.
Now Oba side me day. Oba.
The only reason why I will forgive you, smart, now because you did the side of our great king. Because I be don't map you, I be don't cross you S. Smart. I be don't cross you S. Because there's a video online where you say that you guys are the one destroying Edo State with confraternity. The video is there. I'm not the one that did the video. You made the video that you guys worked for Godwin Obaseki, that you guys mobilized Curtis group to spoil so many things in Edo State. You made that video. I did not make it. You made it with your man. The video is there. You said you are a cultist. But I will let you be because of this one simple word that you said that Oba na Oba. So I will forgive you for that.
Oba na Oba. Oba talk very sad. Come on, come. Oba to Obaseki. Wah, go. Oba to Obaseki. Nale, Obaseki nale wa me. Ti Obaseki wo nale wa gbe na. Obaseki don't do governor come on make for Edo State. Any property wey dey there. Na go property. Make Obaseki you don't do your ATS come on for Edo State. Now they use somebody picking again to the fight war.
I mean, that's exactly what's happening. That's exactly what's happening. Godwin Obaseki is using Albert as an errant boy, and that is all he's good for. Have you ever seen any kind of initiative? Let's be sincere. Let's put all sentiment aside. Let's forget the beef for 1 minute and think. Since you have been on this social media page, I introduced life to majority of Edo people. Majority of Edo people that is on live today, I was the one that introduced life to Edo. Have you ever seen any kind of initiative that was created by Albert in these 8 years while the governor was in power? Why do you think the governor don't respect you? Because all you are good at is being an errant boy from your brother. He didn't give you a job. After good 8 years, you are back in UK being a cleaner. I mean, that's unfair. So the governor cannot appreciate you because in his 8 years, you did not come up with any initiative. You were close to the governor, right? The videos are there when you say, Osagie, if I see you for PDP office, let the work be now. Today we call, I can pick up my phone and say, His Excellency, Governor Monday Okpewolo. Good evening, sir. We'll say, yes, Dion, how are you? Time change. Power don't last forever. When you are opportune to be close to power, don't misuse it. While you were close to Obaseki when he was the governor, you felt untouchable. You did everything to stop my own shine. The evidence are there. All the good Edo people, you are aware of my story. What did I do wrong? Nothing. All because I left my comfort zone. Nobody can ever break that record. I want to see any Edo man who is under 40 years old that will come to Edo State today to do what I did. I want to see any Edo man under 40 years old that will come to Edo State to even visit for 1 year. Come and stay for only 1 year. Talk less of helping thousands of people. I broke the record and nobody can touch it. The evidence are there. So I created an initiative, Random Act of Kindness, to be able to fund my organization with the help of the good people of Edo State supporting me from around the world. Thank you so much, my lovely Edo people, for making my dreams a reality. The government wasn't support me. I didn't ask for the government to support me. Good people like you watching me right now, I present a case. They talk about their problems. We raise money for them, we solve it. No single person came back to say we did not do what we said we would do for them, except the people that the same Abat will now go and collab with them. Like the lady that had cancer, somebody that is already half dead, she had cancer. All we could do was support her to raise funds for her so she can do her chemotherapy. Abat came online, spoiled me, went to now bring the woman, say Dion did not do. This is the work of the state government. But an organization, a US organization who came to Edo State to make an impact, you were trying to bring them down. Wrote petition against me, told the governor not to do anything with us, spoil our name. Before now, the people who you spoil my name to, not the people they fight you so. The people who you spoil my name for, not the people they fight you so. The people are fighting you. So let's continue to listen to Smart Obazee about Obazee's immediate younger brother.
Did you give my mom and dad security? Did you give them any security? But you live in abroad. You will do a cover for 8 years. You don't get no security one day. But you are using that time to be looking for trouble all the time. So why you do that? Oh, go Obaseki.
He said, we ain't what? We ain't what? I speak for this. You twice on your house.
Every day. The guys of which they act for that one went to UK. Now you know. Not carry a rich my family has. I'm not carry a rich my papa. Not carry a rich my mama. Not try that. They know. Oku obe luwa. The thing is so. Oku obe from the Obaseki. And don't compare to la ewa when I video. Nuwe tell me more. Nuwa go. Obaseki family oku obuwa. Uwa go oku Obaseki. Oku Obaseki. Obaseki they use somebody picking then they set trap. You then you can which guy they use. Obaseki if Obaseki really love you, love the dog in a fight. Afela Ali Kula go fight finish wetin they do am.
But it's a good message. It's a good message. So now let's quickly analyze Smart Obazee. I mean, he's not a very smart guy, but you know, I'll give him kudos for the video because he said the truth. He should be Abat's senior brother. Look, you have been working for somebody for 10 years. 10 good years, you have been working for somebody for 10 years. Errol Dixon, Dion, leave these people, you're not big thing. No, I mean, it's good. We have free time so we can talk on issues that concerns our community. You work for Godwin Obaseki for 10 good years, 10 years, a year before the election. First 4 years, second 4 years, under 1 year, those people, that's 10 years. You are still using a 1996 Audi. 1996 Audi. The ex-governor could not buy you a car of 25,000 pounds. You are still living in one of the worst neighborhoods that you posted for meet and greet. I did my investigation now. See now, not be your address with this. See now. See where you want to meet and greet. See the address you want to. See the postcode. The postcode you want for to meet and greet. That be that now, be. See the fraudulent company where you go register. Is it not the same postcode? Now you be that, Abi. See the fraudulent company where you go register now. You see so? If you Google this address right now, you see that this is one of the worst neighborhood in Leeds. So the governor of Edo State then, that you have created so many problems for, could not even help you achieve a document. The governor no say, as a governor, he will call Italian ambassador, this is my personal assistant, they will give you green card. They will even give you passport safe. You don't know that one? Mugu. They run follow Ogiamba, kitty. They disrespect progressive Edo people, and I feel so sad for the Edo people supporting you. I feel so sad for the Edo people who is supporting this young man. May it never be well with you. May your generation never know peace. For you to support this man, to be disrespecting our governor, to be disrespecting the Oba of Benin. May you guys never have peace. For those of you that is clapping for him, Oba, he said, please, Oba Ewari, Lao, is it not possible for us to ban Abad mom and dad from Edo State? Oba Ewari, Baba, is it not possible for us to ban Abad mom and dad from Edo State? Lao. But I feel like Abad mom and dad should be banned from Edo State. It's possible. Governor of Edo State, please give me the power to do the needful. I can nail Abad. Give me the power to do the needful. I can nail him and send him to Kirikiri. Can you imagine? Only you one, you fight Collins Mudia. Only you one, you fight Akobe. Only you one, you fight Esther Dopayi. Only you one, you fight Destiny Bagwa. Only you one, you fight Amafe Jessica. Only you one, you fight the Osagie. Only you one, you fight Captain Nosa. Only you one, you want fight VDM. Walk by. And the good thing is that, the bad thing is that, if the fight with the fight, don't they benefit you. The fight about the fight, you know the benefit on. There's no progress. 10 years, the only thing you don't achieve now the house where you live for Amaba. From there, especially by now, you will get one mansion for Texas. You will get one mansion for Canada. You will get better house. You will ride better car. No progress. That is because when you are trying to put other people down, God cannot open doors for you. And the governor knows that the only thing you are good for is errands. They'll send you errands. They'll give you 2,000 pounds. But go and tell them. Go and tell them. Fight Kabaka. Kabaka, that is a great man. Tony Kabaka, that is a great man. Go to Tony Kabaka house today. More than 50 people are there eating free every day. I have been to Tony's house. Every morning, people they park on beggars. All those people who are there wheelchair, they will come to the Kabaka house. I was there, I was crying. In the morning, they will come to the Kabaka house. Tony will give them money, give them food. This is not a hype. Don't judge people until you are close to them. When I first moved from America, Tony Kabaka offered to give me a free land to build on. Fight everybody on social media, and today look at you now. You are not progressing. There's no one big thing where you will talk, say, okay, this year, I'll say, God bless me. I was able to establish a business. I established a business this year. Last year, I established a business. This coming year, I will still establish a business, and God bless me with 2 beautiful kids. So this is, I can say this is my best year. This is my best year. I get massive apartments. For those of you who don't already know, please, if you are coming to Edo State, I have a 8-bedroom apartment on Iyama, GRA, Benin City, just opposite the military base gate. I get apartment there. Call me if you want to stay there. All right? Thank you so much. I know the paranoid. You know, so, you know, that is it. So how can you call yourself that you are fighting for the governor, but you are not progressing? The people that are not fighting for the governor, they are doing way better than you. Everybody that worked with the ex-governor are doing better than you, Abat, but you yourself, you are not progressing. How can you go and register a cleaning services, a cleaning company, for everything that you can be? You have decided to turn to a cleaner in UK. For everything that you can be, an educated man as you claim. Everybody not illiterate for what you did. You will not be illiterate. For everything you can become in life. For everything you can become in life, all you can do is to become a cleaner. And this is where you want to host the ex-governor. You know, if you rent a small space at the Hilton Hotel, you know, if you rent small space, even at one of those cheap hotels, you want to carry ex-governor, go one dead, 1-bedroom apartment, go host ex-governor. Obaseki, you know the shame, Godwin. Look at your life today. You are running from left to right. You can't even come to Nigeria. Because Nami go first beat you. Godwin Obaseki, if I see you anywhere, Nami I go first tear you slap. Please, somebody should cut this and send it to him. For the fact that you have continued to disrespect our royal home. For the fact that you continue to disrespect the good people of Edo State by sending Albert to be insulting our royal kingdom. Me, I will fair treat your fuck up. I almost did it in Belgium. Many of you are aware. When Obaseki did a secret meeting in Belgium, somebody told me that Obaseki in Belgium. I went there. When Obaseki saw me, he was scared. You have not seen the video? Please put it on Facebook. Dion Osagie in Belgium with Godwin Obaseki. When that incident happened, a lot of you were saying, Dion, you're all too much. You're all too much. Because you don't have a vision eyes like me. My eyes have vision. I dey see what will happen 5-10 years. I dey see what will happen ahead. I tackle the man. Say, man, what are you talking about, man? But many of them, they fight me, say, Dion, why would you be talking to the governor like that? Why would you be doing this? Look at today will come. I beg you. May I drink juice? Anyway, it is not all Obaseki people that support Obaseki. Let's get that clear. It is not all Godwin Obaseki people that support him. So when you are insulting Obaseki, Godwin Obaseki, please, smart Obazee, not they put all of them together, I beg. For example, Nosa Obaseki is my good friend. Nosa Obaseki in Canada, he is my friend, and I'm so proud to call him my friend. I'm so proud to support his movies. I'm so proud to support his show. More than 20 years, Nosa Obaseki have been an artist, an actor, promoting Edo culture all over the world. What did Godwin Obaseki do for him as a brother? A brother. I mean, they are cousins. I believe they are cousins, right? As a cousin, Nosa Obaseki, who have promoted Edo culture all over the world, started as an actor before he moved to Canada. While in Canada, still acting movie, traditional movie. What did Obaseki Godwin do for him? Nothing. Are you telling me that Godwin Obaseki didn't have the power to say, Nosa Obaseki, I know you love movies. You know what we're going to do? We're going to create Edo Film Academy or Edo Movies Academy. I want you to run it so you can promote Edo movies. Why didn't he do that? Why did he not do that for Nosa Obaseki? There's one last video I want to play for you guys before I let you guys be. But the good news is that I was able to stop the meet and greet today. Because I had informed the good news is that I was able to stop the meet and greet today. So I heard there's having one in Manchester. I wasn't planning to stay that long, but I'm going to stay to see the one in Manchester. Tomorrow, I will bring you more updates from the one in Manchester. They are not going to have it, believe me. Okay? Let me play one more.